can get here, come. I know I want to. I want to come back. All the presenters are awesome. The keynotes have been fabulous. I'm excited to see Dr. Marzano, the sessions. I wish I could have attended more, but there's only so many hours in the day.
It's a great opportunity for teachers to grow and learn, to have a different understanding. We don't get an opportunity to just think about things, think about our classrooms and our students and how the world's changing, and think about strategies we can implement. We don't have enough time, and I think this is a great way to get the wheels turning and people understanding how the change needs to move and where we need to go as educators.